Please make sure the distance between your countertop and wall cupboard is more than 19.6 inch. No installation needed. Adding water manually in the 5L built-in water tank. You can put the dishwasher in any suitable place without connecting to tap water. Or it can be hooked to the kitchen faucet directly with the included water hose, adapter included. Ultra-compact design. The ultra-compact design allows the dishwasher to wash 30 items max to 9.5 inch plates at a time while occupying a small area, which is ideal for small houses, apartments, dorms, boats, and campers/RVs. 6 program options: normal, rapid, steam, fruit, glass washing programs, and air refresh. Extra drying mode meet all your daily needs. Note: use the standard dishwasher powders or detergents because regular liquid dish soap will cause dishwasher problems. No detergent is needed for the fruit program, and rapid just needs half of the standard quantity. 192 degrees Fahrenheit high temp hygiene. The hygiene wash cycle boosts water temperature to 162 degrees Fahrenheit, rinsing max to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, which can tackle even the heaviest soiled dishes and is also suitable for cleaning baby bottles and children's dinner sets. Extra drying. Stay fresh. Circulation of air refresh removes moisture and odor, keeping your plates and machine dry and fresh for a long time. The function is enabled by default, and you can also inactivate the function if unnecessary. If you're short on space in your kitchen, a COMFEE countertop dishwasher will save the day. No need to call out a plumber to install the dishwasher because you can connect it to the built-in water tank or faucet yourself. Compact and affordable as it is, this mini dishwasher holds up to 30 items max to 9.5 inch plates, and has 6 programs that meet all your daily needs.